According to the American sociologist Earl Robert Beebe, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. It is involved inductive and deductive methods. There are several types of research, which are exploration, development research, quantitative, qualitative, evaluation research, and many more. In this video, Group 13 will explain about the evaluation research. Evaluation research is a scientific procedure carried out to measure program results related to the effectiveness of a program, whether it is in accordance with the planned objective or not, by collecting, analyzing, and reviewing program implementation, which is carried out logically and objectively. The assessment in this evaluation does not only involve planned change, but also unplanned change. Therefore, the evaluation will be carried out properly if the program contains clear objective, so as to be able to define the expected result to be achieved through the conceptual framework of the methodology in evaluation research.
I'll be explaining the types and methods of evaluation research. First of all, although there are many different types of approaches to evaluation research, our group will specifically explore the following three techniques that are most commonly used. The first one is formative evaluation. This is the type of evaluation research that is conducted before embarking on a project or activity. It involves assessing the different needs and wants of the target market to set the tone for the project by allowing organizations to set appropriate objectives for it. And the second one is midterm evaluation. As the name suggests, midterm evaluation is conducted while a project is in action to assess how far our project has come and whether or not it is in line with set of goals, the end objectives that were determined for it. In midterm evaluation, organization can discern whether any change or modification are required to the current strategies being implemented. On the off chance that the project isn't going in the right direction. And the last one is summative evaluation. Summative evaluation, also referred to as an end-term evaluation, is conducted immediately after the completion of the project. It is used to evaluate the result of or output of the project in regards to the objective and projected result. This form of evaluation allows researchers to measure the degree of success of the project, and the result can be shared with stakeholders and prospective investors. And let's move on to the methods that are used in evaluation research. Well, there are three quantitative methods used in evaluation research. The first one is surveys. Surveys is a set of questions that are in line with the predetermined context. Surveys are usually sent to a particular target audience, and the audience must meet certain criteria in order to qualify as respondents. And survey can be designed efficiently using various survey software. And the second one is polls. Polls is a kind of surveys in which people are asked their opinions. Polls allow researchers to weigh the perception on public issues and are generally employed as a method of opinion sampling. Polls can be taken offline or online using survey tools. And the last one is questionnaire. Questionnaire is a compilation of different types of questions or prompts that are generally used to obtain quantitative data from respondents.
Today would like to talk about a research titled HIV Vaccines, Milestone and New Insights by Bonnie J. Matheson. So what this research is about the strife and the inherent research for the founding and invention of vaccines for the HIV disease and virus. The research alone gathered data from various researchers and testings with human volunteers were among them. The outcome of the research is what they found out from this research is that further research is required because there are a lot of uncertainties and a lot of factors. And one way to do that is by doing clinical stages or doing clinical testings to human volunteers so that they could find out the result from these vaccines when injected to a human being. And then another reason why there are a lot of factors and uncertainties from this research and from this pursuit of HIV vaccines is that since there are a lot of solutions, so to say, to discovering these vaccines, each came with their own variables that could affect the outcome of the vaccine itself, and therefore a lot of very in-depth research is required in order for any improvement for this research to be founded.